Volcano surfing takes extreme sports to a fiery new level by allowing adventurers to surf down the slopes of active volcanoes. Unlike traditional surfing, this adrenaline-pumping sport enhances physical endurance as participants manage the unique descent, balancing speed and control on loose volcanic ash. The mental challenge of staying focused amidst the thrill requires significant mental resilience and decision-making under pressure. As adrenaline courses through the body, it sharpens concentration and elevates physical performance. Safety measures like protective gear and thorough understanding of the volcanic environment are essential, ensuring enthusiasts can fully enjoy this extraordinary sport.